In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Drawboard PDF. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to first close down your Drawboard PDF app. And when you've done that, go to the bottom here on your Windows computer, click on the search box and type in Installed Apps. So when you've typed it in, click on Installed Apps under System Settings, and then from here you'll see your app list. Go ahead and look for your Drawboard PDF. So if you can't find it like that, you could go ahead and search it. So if I type in Draw, there we go, it's over here. I can click on those three dots at the very far right, and when you do it, click on the Uninstall button, and then here it's going to say this app and its related info will be uninstalled. If you agree with that, click on Uninstall. And this is basically going to start uninstalling, and there we go, it's going to say uninstalled. Now, alternatively, if for some reason you weren't able to see your Drawboard PDF in here, it may also be inside your control panel. So if you don't see it here, and if you can't uninstall it that way, go to the bottom on the search box, type in control panel, click on it, go to up top where it says view by and sort by category, and then click on programs, go to programs and features, and from here, look for Drawboard PDF, so just type in Draw, and if it's over here, and if it wasn't inside your settings on your computer, you'll be able to uninstall it from here by just clicking on it, and clicking on Uninstall up top, confirming it, and that's going to do the trick for you. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.